In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote on Jobber. Whether you're familiar with Jobber's platform or you're diving in for the first time, following along with these steps will make quoting services a seamless process. So let's jump right in and simplify how you can give your clients the clear and professional estimates they need. First, you'll need to log into Jobber. Once you're all set up and logged in, you'll want to navigate over to the Quotes section, which you can easily find on the dashboard. Here, you're going to select New Quote. This is where the journey begins in creating that perfect quote for your client. At this point, you'll be prompted to select an existing client or create a new one. If you're working with someone you've done business with before, you can quickly select them from your client list. Jobber makes this process incredibly smooth by keeping all your client information neatly organized. However, if you have new clients, this is an opportunity to create a new profile for them, capturing all relevant details that will be useful for future interactions. With your client selected, the next crucial step is to add the services or products you're quoting for. This section really allows you to showcase the breadth of services or any specific products you're offering. Make sure you're clear and detailed here. Clarity now will save you and your client a lot of back and forth communication later. Once you've got your services and products lined up, it's time to enter the quantities and prices. Being precise here is key. Ensure all your numbers are correct and double check for accuracy. If there are special notes or conditions that apply to the quote, don't skip the opportunity to add them in at this stage. This might include anything from a unique service request to a time-sensitive discount, and it will help both you and your client stay on the same page. After entering all necessary information, take a moment to review the total amount. Reviewing this carefully will ensure everything is calculated correctly and that there's consistency across your pricing. This simple check can prevent any misunderstandings or surprises on either end, solidifying trust with your client. Once you confirm that everything looks just right, you have two options. You can either click Save to store the quote for further review or adjustments, or you can Send Quote if you're ready to email it directly to your client. Jobber provides a user-friendly interface for emailing, making it an efficient way to communicate estimates professionally. And that's it. Those are the steps to create a quote on Jobber. By following along with these instructions, you'll not only streamline your quoting process, but also enhance your client communication, which is vital for a successful business. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more insights into optimizing your business operations with Jobber.